Hi, I'm Dave Myers. I've been working at Computype for 26 years, and nothing performs like a domino.
Computype's roots trace back to 1966, when a group of investors from Minnesota formed a typesetting service for the Baby Bells. By the mid-70s, they pioneered products to track and trace blood for the American Red Cross. They now barcode nearly 90% of the North American blood supply. As the industry grew, Computype began work with Ford Motor Company to track and trace products for harsh automotive environments. And by the late 1990s, offered an adhesive coating solution designed for the rubber industry. Computype now barcodes 20% of all tires globally. Computype brought further innovation to the healthcare market with FLAP, or Flexible Laminate Afterprinting. Labels which protect an image's identity in harsh environments and testing conditions. With the availability of over 600 plus catalog parts, designing customer solutions, or customized sandwiches, have resulted in billions of barcodes and labels being produced annually. At Computype, nothing else than everything is how they view every label, every project, and every customer.
We're proud of our 40-year history of helping companies automatically identify, label, and track the goods and products and services that they deliver to their customers. We take things that are often off the shelf and used in a standard way by others, and we use them in an unstandard way.
We have the ability to mix and match films, adhesives, printing technologies, coatings, laminates together in a customized sandwich for our customers that will survive their processes and products.
In our effort to find technologies, vendors, and key partners that can help us innovate and provide more value for our customers, we found Domino. The strength of Domino from the standpoint of their worldwide presence, their innovative approach to developing standard technology and making it more impactful, the commitment of the organization, from Robert Pulford all the way through the entire organization, we felt very comfortable that in Domino we were working with a partner that understood our DNA, that was committed to our short-term and long-term success, and that was going to help us innovate and bring different and better solutions to the marketplace.
I've been running operations for the last 8 years. 6 of those years we've been in search of a new technology that would help us get a more durable ink and a more robust product. During the vetting process, we sent one of our engineers, Doug Henry, to Gurnee, Illinois to get a demo. Over the time that we were vetting the press, Domino was very instrumental in helping us vet a new product line for our rubber industry, not only in the United States, but also in Great Britain.
In addition to migrating our existing workload to the Domino, we're very excited about building new products. Our engineers are very enthusiastic about the quality of the printed image on the Domino and its lack of need for top coats or protection.
But what really made this powerful was using the technology with Domino to be able to deliver higher performing products. That becomes a revenue generating proposition. And we turn it into all that plus revenue growth, the whole company rallying around the use of this technology to give more value to our customers. I jokingly tell our operations leadership we're now going to use them as part of our sales quota because they're using technology to open up new revenue doors for the company.
And I'm happy to say, probably the first time in Computype's history, we were able to cost justify a press based on new revenue alone.
Computype understands we're not a traditional printing company. Our needs surrounding variable color and extreme precision are very unique. The combination of Domino's technical services team has allowed us to create some really unique products, and for that we're very grateful.
With the Domino N610i and its reliability and uptime, we'll be able to move the majority of our digital printing onto the one press and still have excess capacity to move forward into the future.
I would absolutely unequivocally recommend Domino to others. It's the commitment their organization makes to your success and their ability to help you innovate and deliver something different with more value to your customers.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.
Thanks, Domino.